So in this question you're given y is equal to tan inverse of x to the power 1 by 3 plus a to the power 1 by 3 by 1 minus x power 1 by 3 a power 1 by 3. So you're asked to find dy by dx. So how do we find this? So what is dy by dx? So before doing dy by dx, let us try to simplify this using appropriate substitution. So I say let x power 1 by 3 is equal to tan theta, a power 1 by 3 is equal to tan phi. As x changes, theta changes, but a is a constant, so phi is a constant. So what is this expression? This becomes tan theta plus tan phi by 1 minus tan theta tan phi. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is nothing but tan of theta plus phi. So if you apply tan inverse of this, tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. So y is equal to theta plus phi. So if you convert back into x, so theta is nothing but tan inverse of x power 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of a to the power 1 by 3. So this implies dy by dx is equal to so this is a constant, so this differentiation becomes 0. So what is the differentiation of this? Tan inverse of this 1 by 1 plus x power 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 1 plus something square into what is the differentiation of this? 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3 n into a power n minus 1. So this will be the value of dy by dx.